On January 24th, 2023, a flight dispute at Miami International Airport escalated to multiple violent felonies. This analysis focuses on the governing legal standards and the criminal exposure created by each subject.
Here when it happened? Here, why don't you step over here a second? Hear you.
I heard the commotion riding back out right here. I think she threw some of the plexiglass or her phone. I'm not sure exactly. I just know the girl go, ah, and then blood.
Okay.
And then they were raising Cain. Okay. 2 females. I did take a picture or a video. I didn't get this, which I wish I would have, but I was more worried about.
You were watching it and
making sure everything was quiet, and the reason why is because it almost got out of hand. The officers approached rather gently, if you ask me. They approached smartly, but let's calm this thing down. So they did a good job there. The one girl was just off the hook. The one with the colored hair in the. Let's see, so I can reference the girls, and you'll know who's who.
You had one in pink.
Yeah, she's the second girl. So this is the second girl. This is the first girl that caused the biggest commotion right there.
Okay.
So the one in the pink was causing the commotion, but not at first. She spun out. She bled off the other girl. You know, she saw it going off. Get off my friend. Get off my friend. You know what I mean? Going off, dropping F-bombs. That's because 2 officers approached her because she's out of control. Then she got out of control, and he tried to approach her and then calm her down, and then she was like, don't touch me, I ain't done nothing wrong. So he was kind of like a little passive, which is fine.
Okay.
Then they smartly moved her out of here, and she's going crazy and spazzing out, and they had to put her down to the ground at some point. I was like, they need to put her down. Like, they were like too nice on us. Yeah. That's when the other girl got loose, and the 2 officers were down. I had gotten off my bike now, and I saw her coming, and I was ready to jump on her at any moment because he had to catch up, and she had full access to her gun, his gun, one of the officers. Right. And that's what I was worried about, so that's why I stayed. Don't let I get the hell out of there. It's none of my business. So I saw that he tackled her and did a great job, and they got her cuffed rather quickly. This one took a longer time, and that was pretty much.
Do you know what the fight was about? Did you hear what it was about?
No, but I already suspect from Frontier. It's probably the world's dangerous job. Frontier and Spirit ticket counter. Right. It's probably because they don't have their seat, or they don't have they have to pay for the boarding pass, or pay for the extra bag, pay for your backpack. It's all on the airline's issue, you know what I mean? Okay. But yeah, the officers approached smartly and then did a good job. And I just was worried about their safety. That's why I kind of hung out.
Okay, so you saw her throw the phone or the plastic thing. You thought?
I think it's the plastic.
Right.
Cut her in the face. When I looked, because it was going crazy, I was kind of minding my own business. I kind of just sitting on my bike like this, what's going on? That's when I seen the other girl go like this, and instant blood coming from her face from the ticket counter lady.
Okay.
And then the officers were about right here. They finally approached as they're going ballistic. And then
did you see them attack the officers at all at any time?
Yeah, I did see the girl in the pink pants, the non-starter, became a fuel to the fire. She did, I would say she did, in my opinion, she attacked the 2 officers.
Okay, 2 officers, yeah.
Yeah, and that's why I was this, I got. If she even went near that gun, I was going to tackle her shit out of her myself. So,
okay.
Yeah, so I would say yes. First of all, they attacked the officer here. That one girl by herself. She was nasty and spinning and kicking and everything, and they did everything kind of trying
gently,
to stand off.
Right.
And so she was resisting arrest for sure and attacking assault on the officer, and then the other one was assault on 2 officers down on the ground and potentially could have been shot.
Okay.
I mean, if he didn't know the situation and you saw this thing and you saw a girl running after her and the way their guns were sticking up like this, she's coming from the back.
Okay.
So, but yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. And I know he has your name, so good. I'll reach out to you if I need anything. Thanks, Jim.
No problem. Easy day.
Thanks, bye.
Que si puedes tú puedes caminar.
Where did you say they were? Joanne?
I'm getting the info. I'm getting her info now. What happened?
Ellos entran para acá o ellos.
A lot. There was passenger. It was a lot of witnesses.
Lee Morrison. He is one of those TSA guys on a bike. That's his contact number. He heard a loud commotion, caught his attention. He looked over and saw the subject
pink. The one in pink.
The one pink to unknown item. He didn't see what item it was.
What is this stuff? What's this called?
This.
Clipboard.
Display, plastic display?
Plastic display.
Sign display? Plastic sign display.
Exactly.
No, rescue is supposed to be coming.
So unknown item at her face. Immediately saw blood coming from her face. Observed Miami-Dade County officers arrived and saw the two subjects assisting. What else do you need, bro?
No, that's it, I guess. For now. She was being with them.
Okay.
She's got rate. She says you can't get a refund. You're the one's late. She was helping her friend that was polite and everything else, but then she goes, what? You're helping her get the refund? I go, you guys can't fly. She got crazy irate, grabbed one of these plastic signs, displays, and threw it, hit her right in the top of the nose, and then we had a TSA tight agent. Heard the commotion, and when he started turning around, they came this way, saw the thing flying and hitting her in the face.
She threw shit at the counter, then they came over, they calmed him down, and they immediately fucked it off of me. And then they tried to do it nicely, and they couldn't.
Got it?
All right, good. She's cuffed?
Like I'm cuffed. You talking about my cuff? You clearly see.
Relax.
Hurting me.
Relax.
Just stop pushing my arm up. With you. Give me my phone. Look, do you not see this? Do you not see this? You're trying to hurt my body on my mama. Get the fuck off this ground. Get the fuck off this ground. Get the fuck off this ground. Get the fuck off this ground.
Relax. Relax.
Shut up.
Relax.
Get me off the ground. Give me my phone so I can call my mama.
You're not going to call no one for now, okay? Relax.
Hey Siri.
Relax.
Hey Siri. Get the fuck off of me. Get off me.
Hey, we're not going to get off you, okay? Relax.
Stop dragging me.
You need to relax,
You
okay?
need to get the fuck out of goddamn state.
You need to
You can do
relax.
that all you
need to
want. You can do that all you want. You can do that all you want. You're not hurting me at the end of the day. Get the fuck off of me. Like you put the right to me.
Oh, the victim.
Transport shift number 39. Outside door 13.
Can you let go of my arm?
Let's take her outside so we know
Okay, then let go of my hand.
Hey, listen, hey, relax. Okay, relax. Hey, relax. You relax. You're gonna move, or we're gonna move you. Hey, you're moving because we're telling you you're gonna move. Okay. That's my video right here.
Okay, what's your badge number? What's your badge number?
Relax.
You gotta give me that right. You gotta tell me your badge number.
You will be on the arrest warrant.
I'm relaxed. He's grabbing me, trying to hurt me.
You keep trying to pull away. Stop.
I'm not. You get, bro. I'm not mother's grave. You finna rub me. Hey, all y'all pig ass, you a disgrace. You a disgrace to the race, you black. I swear to God, you're a disgrace. 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 I hate the police. All y'all some. I swear to God, y'all don't help nobody do nothing. All y'all crack a pig ass. And you too. You want to be like these crackers? Okay.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause for a lawful arrest. Multiple witnesses observed an aggravated battery before officers arrived, establishing probable cause before any physical force was applied. The arrests were constitutionally valid. Florida Statutes. Section 784.021. Aggravated battery requires intentional infliction of great bodily harm, or the use of a deadly weapon. Throwing a plastic sign holder at an employee's face, causing immediate bleeding, satisfies the great bodily harm element. The manner of the throw additionally supports a deadly weapon theory, a second-degree felony carrying a maximum of 15 years. Florida Statutes. Section 8.43.01. Resisting an officer with violence requires knowing and willful physical resistance against an officer in lawful performance of duties. The physical struggle documented throughout this encounter satisfies every element of that statute. Maximum sentence: 5 years as a third-degree felony. Florida Statutes. Section 784.07. Elevates battery to a third-degree felony when the victim is a law enforcement officer on active duty. Subject 2's physical attack on officers during the ground restraint meets this threshold independently of the other charges filed. Graham v. Connor 490 U.S. 386, 1989 establishes that use of force is governed by the Fourth Amendment's objective reasonableness standard. Reasonableness is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, accounting for the severity of the crime, the immediacy of the threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. All three factors were present. The force applied was objectively reasonable under Graham. Tennessee v. Garner 471, U.S. 1, 1985, authorizes deadly force when a subject poses a significant threat of death or serious injury to an officer. The eyewitness documented Subject 2 gaining direct physical access to an officer's service weapon during the ground struggle. A hostile subject with proximity to a law enforcement sidearm in a public terminal satisfies the Garner threshold without qualification. That no deadly force was used reflects officer restraint, not the absence of legal authority to apply it. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, 1987, holds that verbal insults directed at police officers are First Amendment-protected speech. Subject 2's verbal tirade during custody created no independent basis for arrest. The officer's restraint in not responding was constitutionally correct. Both subjects were charged with resisting arrest with violence, aggravated battery, and disorderly conduct. Each posted $500 bond and received a lifetime ban from Frontier Airlines. The officers receive a grade of B. De-escalation was consistent with Florida Statute Section 943.1727. Force escalation was authorized under Graham. The weapon retention failure, giving Subject 2 proximity to a service weapon, and the absence of a cover officer role are the two factors preventing a higher grade. Subject 1 receives a grade of D. Every charge in this incident originates from Subject 1's decision to throw a projectile at a civilian employee. No constitutional challenge to the arrest is viable. Subject 2 receives a grade of D. Attacking officers during a ground restraint and gaining access to a service weapon placed Subject 2 within Garner's deadly force parameters. Circumstance not restraint prevented a fatal outcome. 3 operational lessons emerge from this incident. First, weapon retention in any ground engagement is non-negotiable. Proximity by a hostile subject to a service weapon immediately satisfies Garner's deadly force authorization. Second, simultaneous engagement with multiple subjects eliminates the cover officer role and creates unmonitored threat exposure from the surrounding environment. Third, D. Escalation is a legal obligation under Florida statute, but it does not require officers to absorb sustained physical resistance before applying force authorized under Graham v. Connor. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of law enforcement interactions.